you know that the Bible says that when the sword is returned to the sea beast, that the sea beast is actually going to be able to kill through this power, through this nation that rises, is going to be able to kill everyone who is not in harmony with her teachings. We find that in Revelation chapter 13 and verse 15, where it says he was granted power to give breath to the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause as many as would not worship the image of the beast to be killed. Yes, persecution will arise again just like it existed during the Middle Ages. Now let's read about this beast that rises from the earth that is going to help the first beast get its power back. Revelation chapter 13 and verse 11. Revelation 13, verse 11. Then I saw another beast coming up out of the earth. And he had 2 horns like a lamb and spoke like a dragon. Other versions say he had 2 horns like a lamb, but he spoke like a dragon. Now the remarkable thing about this second beast, this earth beast, is that it has a split personality. In other words, it has a positive side and it has a negative side. The positive side are the 2 horns like a lamb, because we're going to notice in Revelation that the lamb represents Jesus Christ. So this beast has a positive side, the 2 horns like a lamb. But it says that this same beast that has 2 horns like a lamb speaks like what? Like a dragon. Let me ask you, what similarity is there between a dragon and a lamb? No similarity at all. And yet in this one beast, you find these 2 characteristics. 2 horns like a lamb. It has 2 aspects like a lamb, but it speaks like a dragon. In other words, it has a dual personality. It has a split personality. Now, I want you to notice that it's not that this beast has 2 horns like a lamb, and then the 2 horns are broken. In other words, it ceases being like a lamb, and then it speaks like a dragon when the 2 horns are broken. No. The Bible says that it speaks like a dragon even while it still has the 2 horns. In other words, it professes one thing, but it actually lives another. In other words, it professes 2 principles we're going to notice that Christ entertained, and it's going to say we believe in that, but at the same time, it's going to persecute like the dragon of Revelation chapter 12. Now, let's identify this lamb beast. Let's see, actually it's not a lamb beast, but the beast that has 2 horns like a lamb. Let's review the order of kingdoms that we studied last time. You remember that we have a lion. What kingdom does the lion represent? Babylon. Then we have a bear. What kingdom does the bear represent? The Medes and Persians. Then we have a leopard. What kingdom does the leopard represent? Greece. Then we have a dragon beast. And what does that dragon beast represent?